Hi, and welcome to Accounting Academy. I'm Fitz, and this is my dog FIFO. We love to help people learn more about accounting, so join us on our adventures as we dive into accounting topics. On today's adventure, we are going to be helping our friend Claire. She owns a digital company that links dog walkers and dog owners together to get dogs walked. Claire is looking to sublease her office for her dog walking business. Sorry, FIFO, we'll go on a walk later. Hey Claire, how are you doing?
Hey Fitz, I'm doing great. So good to see you and FIFO. I could really use your help. My employees have spoken, and we are going to be working 100% remote from now on.
Oh wow, that's exciting.
Yeah, it is, but now we are stuck with this office lease. The landlord won't let us out of it, so we are going to sublease it. Can you help with how I would account for a sublease?
Okay, well first, are you modifying your existing lease with the landlord? And does your original lease obligation still reside with you?
Oh yeah, everything from the original lease will be staying the exact same as it has always been.
Okay, then yes, this is a sublease under ASC 842. Under that topic in subsection 35-14, you will find guidance on how to account for the lease and the sublease. Assuming this is an operating lease, you would continue to account for the original lease as if nothing has happened.
So don't change anything on the accounting we already have set up for the existing lease?
Yep, that's correct. However, I will caution that if the sublease income is less than your lease expense under the original lease, it may be an indicator for impairment. You would need to consider if the right-of-use asset is recoverable in accordance with ASC 360-1035-21.
Lucky for us, the sublease is for our exact rent amount.
Oh great, that makes the impairment assessment a lot easier to...
Agreed, but I still have a question on how we would account for the lease income.
That is fairly straightforward. You would just recognize the lease income each month as it's earned. Your entries would just be a debit to cash for the payment and a credit to sublease income.
Oh wow, that is pretty easy. Could that lease income be shown net of the lease costs?
Great question. There was a meeting in June 2014 between the FASB and the IASB that allowed for some ways where net presentation is possible. However, in your case, since you have not been relieved of the primary obligation, it is never okay to net the cost and income, and they should be presented separately.
Okay, understood. So let me see if I got this. When we sublease, the original right-of-use asset and the lease liability both would go unchanged. We might need to consider the right-of-use asset for impairment. And lastly, I would not set up anything for the new operating sublease, but would instead recognize the income each month as it's earned.
That's correct.
Great. I think I've got this then. Well, this has been super helpful. I definitely feel more confident with the accounting for this sublease. Thanks for coming by today. If you ever need someone to walk FIFO, make sure to use my dog walking app. I'm sure he'll love it.
Alright folks, thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you can, donate at Patreon. Anything you can give helps to keep the lights on and ensures we can continue to create content. And of course, helps feed FIFO. If you want to contact us about anything you saw in this video, accounting advice, or ideas for future videos, contact us at patreon.com/accountingacademy.
This video is designed to be illustrative and does not represent an official position. We make no representations, warranties, or guarantees and assume no responsibility for the application of this material. Please seek advice from a competent professional if expert assistance is required.